Dear Jaguar Nation, season's greetings and best wishes as we prepare to welcome a new academic year. I hope the start of 2026 finds you inspired and ready to explore new possibilities in teaching, research, and innovation. My name is Ellie Faye, and I serve as a virtual assistant and content developer working with Professor Mustafa Diak in the College of Science and Engineering at Southern University. Welcome to this 7-day learning experience designed to guide you from basic AI use to a more advanced, intentional practice of prompt engineering. This workshop will help you develop structured approaches to working with AI tools, enhancing clarity, efficiency, and instructional impact. We look forward to learning and growing together throughout this experience. For decades, professional development for faculty meant gathering in a physical computer lab at a scheduled time. However, that classical model is now obsolete. The speed of change triggered by artificial intelligence is so disruptive that we can no longer wait for the next department seminar. To truly master this technology, we must stop viewing AI as a simple search engine and start treating it as a reasoning engine that requires precise guidance. The mental shift required today is fundamental. We are moving from asking, "What question should I ask?" to "What system should I design?" In a world where everyone else is still figuring out basic workflows, staying stuck in a rigid, one-time lab session puts you at a disadvantage. It is time to transition from hoping for a good result to guiding the AI to produce exactly what the institution needs. To meet this challenge, Professor Mustafa Diak at the Diak Research AL Learning Lab at Southern University has developed a transformative online workshop model. This approach moves beyond isolated prompts to provide anytime access for professional development, allowing faculty to engage with the material on their own path. This 7-day journey is designed to take you from, ChatGPT, please help, to, I have engineered a precise system to extract exactly the insights I need. Through this model, you will master advanced frameworks like ROSES, defining specific roles, objectives, scenarios, expected solutions, and steps to handle complex academic and business tasks. You will learn the 3 principles of effective engineering: clarity over brevity, direction over correction, and systems over questions. This isn't just a guide. It is a blueprint for building valuable AI skills that save time and provide a ridiculous advantage in higher education. Artificial intelligence is not a passing trend, it is here to stay. This model requires faculty to take ownership of their own personal development to better serve the institution and find our students where they are. By adopting an engineering mindset, you join the ranks of expert prompt engineers who can harness the full potential of these tools for research and teaching. The goal of the Diak Research AL Learning Lab is to ensure you become an early adopter, moving away from casual usage toward modular systems development. When you take ownership of your AI literacy, you aren't just learning a tool, you are ensuring your work remains accurate, relevant, and impactful. The future of the classroom is being engineered right now. It is time to step out of the computer lab and take the lead.